How to turn on free mode on Facebook. To enable free mode on Facebook, start by opening the Facebook app on your mobile device. Make sure you're using the data from the participating network provider because free mode only appears when your SIM carrier supports Facebook Free Basics or Facebook Free Mode. This feature may not work on Wi-Fi. Once you're on mobile data, you want to open the Facebook app or Facebook Lite. At the top of your screen, you should see a banner that says Go Free Mode or You're in Data Mode. Tap on the Free Mode option. Facebook will switch to a lightweight version where you can browse, post, and text without using data. Photos and videos will be unavailable in free mode, but you can tap on See Photos anytime. Just note that it will switch back to data mode. If you don't see the free mode option, it could mean that your carrier does not support Facebook free mode in your region anymore, as many networks are slowly removing the feature. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.